first thing I started the day after the barn raising was to nail up the 3 middle rows of girts. I felt that gave me some additional stability for short term for shear. Completing the first 3 rows of sidewall girts allowed me to move on to installing the purlins. They were attached to the rafters with 3 GRK 3/8 by 6-inch structural screws at each end. My wife was the one who helped the most with the installation of the purlins. She got up there and worked right alongside of me. Above all, she deserves the most credit for all the help, love, and support she gave me through the entire project, start to finish. Then moved on to the roof sheathing. I used 1932nd OSB sheathing. It was the only purchased lumber product on the entire project. I again started on the east side, and my daughter's fiance Marshall helped me install the OSB on the east side. My daughter helped me on the west side, and she was an invaluable help also through the entire project. I was enjoying myself immensely. This is right after I finished the sheathing. Determined to roof the barn myself, but 3/4 of the way through the east side, one of my roof staging brackets came off and I fell off the roof. I was wearing my harness, but that was enough for me to decide to pay someone else to finish the roof for me. While waiting for the roofer to come, I finished my girts. I have framed for future windows. I'm going to build my own windows, and that's a project for next year. Wrapping the sides, I started installing my 1x10 siding boards. time to move on to the ends. I framed in my doors, including my loft door. I then added the siding to the front and installed my sliding door hardware. Here, my wife and I are installing the bats. We moved on and finished the back. The final touches were my doors. At my final inspection, the inspector looked at the prints, saw they were stamped, and looked around and left. I don't think he has ever looked at a timber frame before.